Hey, nutritionist Chris here from eatingistheanswer.com. Today I want to talk to you about the idea of saving money buying organic. So I saw a post on the internet this morning and it said something to the effect that, Whole Foods be like, 4 bags of chips, a plate of prepared pasta, and 2 containers of ice cream cost $200. And it's like, okay, yeah, that's pretty expensive. No kidding. But bags of chips, ice cream, prepared pasta, things like that. First of all, those are food products. They're not actually food. There's no actual food there, and those things are expensive everywhere. I mean, my gosh, I mean, a bag of chips or you know some of the MSG covered nacho chips. What are they? $4 a bag, $5 a bag, something like that. What's a container of ice cream? Those small boutique ice cream containers are now $7, $8. Of course, that's going to add up. And how long does that stuff last? One of those little things of ice cream, you're done that in 5 minutes. But an organic chicken breast, which you can then dice up and put into wraps or wrap it in lettuce and add a bunch of greens from the garden, all of a sudden you can feed your entire family with a couple of chicken breasts. It's going to cost you the same amount as a bag of chips. So what's really more expensive? Is it buying organic food, or is it buying food products to satisfy emotional eating? Now, emotional eating is an issue, and that's something that needs to be discussed. And in order to get emotional eating out of your life, you got to figure out, what's the emotional eating about? Why am I doing this? What's going on in my life that's making me feel like I deserve to eat food? So that's the kind of thing that you can discuss with your friendly nutritional practitioner, such as myself. In any case, that's just a point I wanted to bring across today. It's not expensive to eat organic. It's not expensive to eat good food. What's expensive is buying food products, prepared foods, junk foods that make you want to eat more, that give you food cravings. Eating nutrient-dense food, especially organic, nutrient-dense food, actual food, stops food cravings. And then you don't have to spend the money on all that other stuff. So I hope this helps give a little bit of perspective on how to eat well, how to save money. And I encourage you to visit my website at eatingistheanswer.com. Have a great day.